In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join public Discord servers on mobile. We'll keep it simple, clear and fast so you can start discovering communities that match your interests right away. Start by opening your mobile browser like Chrome and head to discord.com. Sign into your account so you're ready to access all features. If you're prompted to confirm your identity, follow the on-screen instructions and make sure you complete any verification prompts. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Discord home screen where you can see your direct messages and any servers you're already in. The web version works well on mobile, so you won't need to download anything extra for this. Next, look for Discord's public server discovery area. On mobile, this is represented by a compass icon and is often labeled Discover or Explore Public Servers. Tap that icon to enter the discovery section. This is where Discord highlights popular and featured communities. You'll find a search bar at the top and categories to browse like gaming, music, education, tech, and more. Use the search if you already know what you're after, or scroll through the categories to get ideas. The discovery page is designed to make it easy to preview what each server is about before you decide to join. Now, choose a public server that looks interesting. Tap on a server card to open its details. Here, you can read the server's description, see the member count, and browse a preview of channels to get a feel for the community's vibe and activity level. Take a moment to glance at the rules and guidelines if they're visible, since each server sets its own expectations. When you're ready, tap the join button. If you're asked to complete a quick verification, just follow the prompts. As soon as you join, the server will appear in your sidebar and you'll be able to access all public channels, post messages and interact with members. A few quick tips to make your experience smoother. Use the search bar to narrow results by topic or game title. Check the member count and recent activity to gauge how active a server is. And look for welcome or rules channels right after you join so you know how to participate respectfully. If notifications feel overwhelming, you can adjust them from the server's settings at any time. And you can leave a server just as easily if it's not the right fit. That's all you need to start exploring and joining public Discord servers on mobile. Have fun discovering new communities.